With the spring season on its way, it is time to dust off the trimming and pruning tools. Property maintenance is not only important to keep an aesthetically pleasing landscape, but it keeps wayward limbs from finding their way through your roof. One difficult landscaping chore is removing overhead branches. The force it takes to clamp down and cut the limb is considerable. This is where Ratchet Loppers come in handy. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best Ratchet Loppers. Let's get started. Number 5. MLTOOLS L8230 Ratcheting Lopper. Our first choice is the MLTOOLS L8230 Ratcheting Lopper. This is a bypass, extendable tool that you can use anywhere between 27 to 39.5 inch positions. As a 3.6 pound lightweight option, the durable handles are made of aluminum and are resistant to rust. The MLTOOLS also feature a no-slip grip on the handles, so it will not cause strain on your palms. The blades are made of strong carbon steel and use a secure ratcheting force. You will have a cut capacity of up to 1.75 inch thick as well. This is a great option for cutting down any overhead branches, limbs, or other materials that need to be removed. The overall construction is durable and you can even sharpen the blades if necessary. Overall, this is our number 1 choice for a Ratchet Lopper. Number 4. Kings County Tools Ratcheting Bypass Lopper. Our premium choice is the Kings County Tools Ratcheting Steel Bypass Lopper. Although this item is more expensive, it is a durable option that has a double ratcheting mechanism. You can extend the handles of this tool between 26 and 40 inches long. It also has 6-pin lock positions to stop the extension from moving out of place. Designed for cutting green or wet wood, you have a 2 to 2.5 inch cutting capacity along with rubber hand grips. Weighing in at 3.75 pounds, the Kings County comes with coated blades, so they will not rust over time. You can also sharpen them when needed. In the long run, if you spend a little extra coin, these steel tools are a great addition to your work shed. They are oversized for ease of use and ready for the toughest work. Number 3. Corona Tools DualLINK Bypass Lopper. The Comfort GL grips on these Corona Loppers felt so good, I didn't even consider wearing gloves when using them. My hands didn't slip, so I didn't have to worry about blisters. The grips offer just the right amount of padding while remaining solid, and the slightly curved shapes fit nicely in my hands. The compound action loppers are well suited for cutting thick branches. I was able to remove with ease an unwanted branch on an apple tree that was over 1.5 inches in diameter. The long aluminum arms make it possible to generate a lot of leverage. The additional compound link magnifies cutting force and reduces the necessary work, while sturdy steel handles manage the extra power. At 3.8 pounds, the Corona Loppers are heavier than some of the ones I tested, but they're not quite as heavy as other ratcheting models. These cutters have a narrower blade opening, so they're beneficial for getting at hard-to-reach tree limbs. When I first examined the loppers, I was disappointed at what appeared to be a plastic link on the opening mechanism. Number 2. Spear & Jackson 8290 RS Telescopic Ratchet. If you're on a budget, the Spear & Jackson 8290 RS Telescopic Ratchet Anvil Loppers are a good option. This tool is made of lightweight, telescopic aluminum and extends to 31.5 inches long. Weighing in at 3.97 pounds, you also have soft grip handles for comfort. With a strong SK5 carbon steel upper blade, it is coated with PTFE for rust resistance. You will easily be able to cut through 1.75 inch limbs as well. What's more, you also have a locking catch for safe storage. The ratcheting action of this option is durable and effective. The only drawback to this option is it does not have a long extension as our number one pick. Otherwise, the Spear & Jackson is the best ratcheting loppers for the money. Number 1. Fiskars 391461-1003 Bypass Lopper. For reasonably priced cutters that don't sacrifice performance, these Fiskars Bypass Loppers are a solid choice. The rust-resistant stainless steel blades are hardened and precision ground, meaning they'll retain their edge over an extended period. The low-friction coating allows the blades to cut through wood easily and results in less sap residue. I found these Fiskars loppers easy to use on green branches and the cutting action to be super smooth. I didn't spot any tearing of the limbs or ragged cuts, which tend to make a tree more susceptible to disease. These 28-inch cutters are suitable for living, green growth with a cutting capacity of branches up to 1.5 inches thick. Shock-absorbing bumpers make the tool easier to use, and padded grips offer additional comfort. While these loppers aren't the lightest on the list, they still weigh a modest 2.9 pounds, so they're not difficult to use when cutting overhead.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.